Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got a lot of things to discuss. So, you all seen the market? It's beat up. Everybody's portfolio's red. Everybody's hurting. And everybody all over the internet is screaming, the sky's falling, right? So, we're going to talk about that today. And I'm also going to give you a quick portfolio update, as well as a couple questions I have for you, actually. Let's get to the questions first really fast. Then I'll dive in here and show you my portfolio. So here's the questions. I'm thinking about trying to create a posting schedule because I'm just posting videos at random times. And so I'd like to know what you think below, but here's my idea so far. I was thinking about putting a video up on Sunday, and it's basically like an introduction to the week that's coming. It'll let you all know what my thoughts are for the week and what my plans are for the week, what I want to accomplish that week in the stock market. And then on Friday, I want to post another video that's basically a recap of the week that shows all the things, all the changes that we made to the portfolio during that week, as well as some just updates on the other stuff that's happening within the stock market. And then I was thinking about maybe doing a video midweek, maybe it's just say Wednesday or something, but more related to other financial topics, not necessarily maybe a quick portfolio update, but also introduce some other things such as about anything about finance when it comes in regards to like saving money, earning money, budgeting money for living abroad, anything related to investing and finance and living abroad, because this is a topic that I'm really, really passionate about, I guess, and I've really been into for quite a while now. But I don't make these videos about these estimates and look at this fund and look at that fund, because everybody else is making those videos and they do a good job. So I don't want to do that kind of thing. I'd rather talk about other things that are maybe go outside and make some videos outside and talk about some different topics related to finance and investing while we're outside exploring around the world. Since we're not in America, right? If you're new here, I'm living in China right now, where I've been for 15 years. But anyway, that's what I'm thinking. That's what's on my mind. Let me know in the comment below. What do you think about that schedule? Or do you have a better idea? I'm open to that. Let me know. Okay, so let's dive into the phone and give you a portfolio update and then talk about this whole stock market stuff, what's going on now. Let me record the screen. Bam. Okay, let's open up Charles Schwab. And then we'll go here to the home page and refresh it. Okay, so you can see the balance is $29,500. And let's go down here to view all the positions. And again, I'll refresh it so you can see. And let's go to the gain and loss tab. You can see everything. Okay, so here, Koenig, we have 870 shares. And my average cost is $18.91. So below $20 average cost, pretty good. And then have Alti, 1,000 shares. And my average cost on Alti is $13.86. So as far as Coney goes, I have Coney on drip because I don't have my 1,000 shares yet. I told y'all before I want 1,000 shares of everything. So we're almost to 1,000 shares. So Alti is not on drip. I'm going to take that cash when I get that. It's like the third week of the month. Coney is about to pay the dividends. I think it's on the 8th. I'll double check that for you. But I think it's on the 8th. But when they do, when Coney pays, that money's going to go right back into Coney. And hopefully it's still trading below $18.91. And it'll lower my cost average a bit too. So we're going to get 1,000 shares of Coney on the ex-div date. Actually, let's check it out real quick. Let me check out the ex-div date. Yield max ETFs. Okay. Distribution schedule. Let's check it out. So Coney, or not just Coney, all the Yield max, the single stock covered call ETFs, they are, let's see, August. Okay, so on August the 6th, they're going to announce how much money they're going to pay for dividends. And then the X date is August the 7th. So on the 7th, we're going to know, or on the 7th, you'll be able to buy at a discount. And then on the 8th is the payday. So the 8th, you should get your dividends from Yomax. So on the 7th, On X date, I'm going to try to get Coney to 1,000 shares. When's the 7th? I think that's Wednesday. So Wednesday, I'm going to try to get Coney up to 1,000 shares. And then we'll be ready to buy something else. So that's my plan for this coming week in the stock market, is to get my Coney up to 1,000 shares. We're 130 shares short. It's on drip. I'm guessing, I'm not sure, but I'm guessing the dividend's probably going to be around $1.65, something like that. So if that's the case, 870 shares, I don't think it's going to be enough. Let's see, 165 times 870, about $1,400. So it's not going to be enough, because I think Coney's about $18. Let's just say $18. So I need $2,300 worth, and I'm probably going to get about $1,500 worth. So I'm going to have to add $1,000 to Coney to get my 1,000 shares. And then once we do that, we're going to start buying something else. I'm thinking NVIDIA. I don't want Misty because I don't want too much Bitcoin exposure, because I already have Coney. So I might buy NVIDIA when the time comes. But that's the general idea. So when it comes to the stock market right now, you guys have seen the news. You've seen all this stuff, about the jobs reports and the rate cuts. Everybody's screaming, "Oh, Jay Powell cut the rates too late," and this and that. Now, for me, it wasn't a surprise that this happened. And I'll tell you why. I've watched several of these Jay Powell talks. And for a long time now, he's literally been saying he wants people to lose their jobs. Right? 'Cause they have to have that in order to cut the inflation down enough and to get things going back on track. It's just something that's got to happen. That's the way the economy works. And so they really needed that. And so, in my opinion, a lot of people overreacted or freaked out. But that's normal in the stock market, because people who are in the stock market are generally pretty, how do I say it in a nice way? I don't really know how to say it in a nice way, but what I say, that people tend to overreact, because people get emotional when it comes to their money. And they see these things happening, and they think, the market's going to tank, and they hurry up and get out and get all their money out of the market. Now, if you're invested in these high yield dividends, like we are, and you're investing for income, or like I am, I'm not worried about this, and I'm not going to sell for a loss. And here's why. Because these things, the yield is so high. A couple of years, you get 100% of your money back. If you're taking your money out and putting it back in your bank, replenishing your bank account, you get 100% of your money back, and you still own these things, and they're still going to keep paying you. As long as they're listed on the stock market, you'll be all right. I mean, maybe it's a different story if you're investing in something that's like a 5% yield and the thing tanks. You're not getting very much income. But in my case, my portfolio average is like a 95% yield. It's crazy. So why sell whenever I'm going to get all that money back? And I'm going to get it back fast. I don't have to wait 10 or 20 years. So I'll get my money back in 1 or 2 years, replenish my bank account, and from there, I still own the things, and they still keep paying me. Or if I want, I can sell them. If I sell them, then I basically double my money. So I got 100% of my money back, and then I sold them. If they're trading around my average cost, and I made a lot of money. And if not, then that's fine too. At least I got all my money back, and I still own the thing. It still keeps paying me. And if I want to sell it anytime, I can sell it anytime. It don't even matter, because I've already got my money back. As long as you do it correctly. Now, the way I'm approaching this, okay, for this particular portfolio, I'm going to get my income up to $5,000 a month from this portfolio. When it hits $5,000 a month, I'm thinking, it's not 100% planned yet, but I'm thinking about taking half of the money out and start working on replenishing my cash savings account. And then the other half, just reinvesting and getting more shares until I hit $10,000 a month. Now, I could also just keep accumulating until I get $10,000 a month. And then, if I do that, then once I get $10,000 a month, then I can just start replenishing my bank account and replenish it really fast. The main factor is, are these things going to still be available to us on the stock market? And according to Jay, the manager of Zega, or is it Zega, who manages all these funds, they plan on having these around for a long, long time, forever, is what he says. So they don't have any plans on these going anywhere anytime soon. So as long as they keep paying this high yield and I get all my money back, that's cool with me. I'm fine with that. No problem. So I'm not going to freak out. I'm not going to worry about it. I definitely ain't going to sell nothing because the income is high. What's the point of selling? And selling for a loss when you get all your money back. This is just my 2 cents. So anyway, you can think I'm crazy. You can call me stupid if you want. That's cool. No hard feelings for me. It's my money. I do what I want to do with my money. You know what I'm saying? And you should do what you want to do with your money. It's not financial advice. I'm not giving y'all financial advice. I'm just sharing my journey with y'all. I'm telling y'all what I'm doing and sharing all that stuff. So anyway, that's just my 2 cents. So yeah, let me know what you think below. And look, I got a haircut. You like my new haircut? Do I look 43? Anyway, I'm just messing with y'all. I really am 43, and I really did get a haircut, but I just having fun. So anyway, let me know below what you think about the schedule. Sunday, plan for the week. Friday, weekly recap. Maybe midweek, Wednesday, might do just like a standard financial type video and be outside and share some things. Let me know about that, what y'all think below. And let me know if you made any changes to your portfolio. And are you worried about this whole the sky is falling? Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care.